हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं आपके साथ हूँ स्टैंडर्ड 7 का माई इंग्लिश बुक 7 4.2 द बेबी पैंगोलिन्स नाइट आउट इस सेशन के इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स लेकर। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, मेक अदर मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस बाय यूजिंग अदर वर्ड्स इन प्लेस ऑफ वर्ड्स इन द बॉक्सेस। बॉक्सेस में जो वर्ड दिए हैं उनकी जगह हमें अदर वर्ड प्लेस करने हैं ताकि उनका मीनिंग चेंज हो जाए सेंटेंस का। फर्स्ट है वी विल गो एंड ईटिंग टूडे, और अभी आंसर में देखो वी विल गो बाइक राइडिंग टूडे। दिस इज हाउ वी पेंगोलिन्स gobble up termites। आंसर, this is how we boys enjoy playing cricket. You have to be on your guard against greedy people. Answer, you have to be on your guards against robbers. Life is now full of hardship. Life is now full of happiness. Question number 2. List all the references in the story that tell you that it is night time. Answer, baby was still fussy after a day's sleep. Sheep sensed a bright light passing on. We will return there tomorrow night. We must reach home before the day breaks. Translate the phrases into your mother tongue. First one है drowsy after a day's sleep. Answer, दिवसभराच्या झोपेमुळे पेंगुळलेला. ब्राईट लाईट पासिंग ऑन, टॉर्चचा पुढे जात असलेला प्रखर प्रकाश. रिटर्न टुमॉरो नाईट, उद्या रात्री परतू. मस्ट रीच होम बिफोर डे ब्रेक्स, दिवस उजाडण्यापूर्वी घरी पोहोचले पाहिजे. Question number 3. Use the Pangolins Fact Sheet to make a collage giving interesting information on the pangolins. तो यहाँ पे मैंने फैक्ट शीट बना दी है. Question number 4. Write what Mama Pangolin told her baby about the following topics. First, pangolins as animal species, their habitat, food habitats. So here उसका आंसर. Trips to pangolins. Some people search pangolins holes and dig them up and kill them and eat their flesh and sell their scales, earn money. So pangolin existence is in danger. Question 3. Good people's efforts to save pangolins. Some people know the pangolin importance in the food chain in nature. They strive to make their life safe and help them to grow in numbers. Some organizations like Sahyadri Nisarga Mitra in Maharashtra run awareness campaign with the help of the forest department. They hold meeting in villages and urge people to protect them. They put up posters and hand out pamphlets to make people understand their importance for killing and moving millions of ants and termites. They are trying to stop international smuggling of the scale of the pangolins. Question 5. Say whether the following sentences are true or false. First, the pangolin's home was a snug hole in the earth. Answer, true. B question. Mama Pangolin used her claws to eat ants and termites. Answer, false. Baby pangolins did not like termites. Answer, false. Question D. Mama Pangolins pulled her long baby tight ball. Answer, true. E question. Pangolins scales are medicinal. Answer, true. F question. Human beings have destroyed pangolin habitats. Answer, true. Now use the sentence in the passage to frame a similar true or false exercise. Remember, you must know the correct answer yourself. First, A pangolin uses its strong claws and tail to climb off a tree. Answer true. Pangolins have a very strong together into a eyesight. Answer false. Female pangolins are bigger than male pangolins. Answer false. Thanks for watching video. इयत्ता 7वीच्या मराठी, सेमी आणि इंग्रजी या माध्यमांच्या सर्व विषयांच्या स्वाध्यायाच्या नवनवीन व्हिडिओसाठी चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब नक्की करा. लाईक करा, कमेंट करा आणि वर्गमित्रांना शेअर करा.